How to transfer or save WhatsApp messages to your computer. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can export or save WhatsApp messages to your computer. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up WhatsApp in your mobile device. Once you're here, now select your preferred chat that you want to transfer to your computer. For example, I have this chat right here. After that, head towards the top right corner, then tap on the three dot from this menu bar, or from this menu box tap on more. Now select export chat. If you want to include media such as photos or video, you can tap on include. If not, you can continue without media. So for now, we will just tap on without media. Now you can share your chat to various platforms such as Mail, WhatsApp, Drive, or any from here. So for now, I will just select WhatsApp and select one of the contact right here. Then tap and send. So once you have sent this message, what you have to do is you have to open up WhatsApp in your computer. So once you have opened WhatsApp in your computer, you have to open that chat where you have sent the chat from your Android device. Search now. So here I have the file right here. So here click on open. So this is the chat. You have to extract the chat since you have seen the zip file. So click on extract all and then select your location. So for now, I will just save it in my desktop, then click on select folder, then click on extract. So once you have extracted the file, now you can go back to your desktop, and here is the messages right here. Click and open it up. And there you can see these are all the chats from the WhatsApp. And that's how you can transfer WhatsApp chats to your computer. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.